So somewhere around here, there's a wheel horse that I've been trying to spy because I haven't seen one of those in a long time. Oh, there it is. Perfect, there it is. Okay, getting closer. Here it is. Wow, it's a little smaller than I thought it was going to be. Wow, that's really small. How am I supposed to ride that? Wow. So obviously this is a little smaller than one you're going to ride, and I'm with Eston, who's designed this. Now, Eston, take me through what this model actually is, because
Sure,
it's pretty unique.
Yeah, this is actually a 1970 wheel horse snowmobile, scaled down to 1/25th scale. What we do is try to put every detail of the real thing in it. Every piece the real one would have.
Can I see it again?
Sure.
Because, yeah, I mean, the detail in it is amazing, because if you look inside the cowl, you can actually see the engine. There's the jack shaft and
The carburetor's in there, the fuel lines, the spark plug wires. We actually, every single part, every piece.
And you said your company started doing like small scale tractors?
Yeah, what we started doing was
way?
garden tractors, and this was a kind of a way to get into the vintage snowmobile scene with kind of the tractor feel to it.
Yeah, no,
So being wheel horse.
That is amazing.
Yeah, and what we do is we take a real snowmobile or tractor out of my collection and reverse engineer every single piece of it.
Yeah, you measure everything?
Measure every single piece, scale it down, design it in SolidWorks.
Yeah.
And then some parts are laser 3D printed, some are molded, some are cast, and just to get the final product there. And
very intricate work. Now, if somebody wanted to check this out online, where would they go?
We are on Facebook right now at Eston's Hobbies and Restorations.
Very cool.